Hello, Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabina, with my Module 3, Part 1, Initiative Update for the World Pulse Changemaker Lab Programme 2022. Lesson 1. This video presentation was hosted by Ruth Howard. It was an introduction to storytelling. I loved all the quotes Ruth included, particularly this one. Never be afraid to share your story. No one can tell it like you can. Tony Sorenson. I thoroughly enjoyed listening to Ruth and came away with a better understanding of how do I tell a good story. Keep it simple, keep it honest, tell it with heart. Lesson 2. This video session was presented by Kat Haber. It focused on telling your story like a TED talker. Kat is a natural storyteller and I loved her voice. It was a very informative video highlighting many areas of storytelling, including a Shero's journey, what is your message, who is your audience, what will you give them, common ground, what's your big idea, what is your story, which story to choose, warn or motivate, make your personal wins and learnings universal, risk, resistance, reward, what are your visuals, 4 principles to live by, 4 halls of happiness, what is versus what could be, what is your call to action, how will you make it sparkle, be a star, say something they'll always remember. Lesson 3. Lesson 3 was about crafting a story elevator pitch. Lesson 3 was about crafting a strong elevator pitch. This was with Dawn and Manasseh. In this video session I learnt what is an elevator pitch. This was a very interesting and impactful video for me, and Dawn and Manasseh explained what is an elevator pitch and the key elements in an elevator pitch that I need to use. I used all the information from this video and previous lessons to write my elevator pitch. Thank you so much, Dawn and Manasseh. Lesson 4. Lesson 4 with Corrine Milano and Chi Yvonne Lena. I hope I pronounced your names properly. And this session was about what is a frontline journal. So a review of a frontline journal. A frontline journal is personal, focused and true. It follows a specific structure to connect readers to the heart of your story, but most importantly, it is designed to galvanize action. It's meant to lead. There's a graph that I need to show here. So there will be a graph that I show. It will be about lead, not graph, body, call to action or conclusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it's made sense and I look forward to recording another video for you very soon. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.